My name is Erica McDermott.
And I'm Kristen Swan.
And welcome to the Short Fuse Theater Project, The Puppet Show Edition. We're very excited to have you here tonight. This is the first time we're doing our show here at the Community Building in the Harbor. We have 16 actors who have been working after school every day this week to put on a fantastic puppet show. 17 kids to put on a puppet show for you today. So if you could give them a round of applause. I think
So we couldn't have put this on without some very important people, Sadie Danahy being one of them. He has helped us rally these kids. We've only had 3 days and 2 hours each day of rehearsing, and then here we are. So it's, and also Margaret Laughlin, who is running the camera for Scituate Community Television. Thank you for being here and setting up. And of course, Scituate Rec for allowing us to do what we do, because we absolutely love it. We love working with these kids. They are absolutely amazing puppeteers, not only actors, but now they can add puppetry to their extensive resume. Right? Okay, so we like to start on time. It is about 6:02 right now. So without further ado.
Oh, and I do want to thank my dad who built this for us. This is pretty awesome. So we're excited to have it.
And actually, and also Margaret Laughlin also did the puppets.
She donated all the puppets to the program, so thank you, for real.
So before we start, is there any child that is like, I really wish I'm sitting up here instead of sitting back there? If anybody wants to sit up here, now's the time to do it. No? Okay. So the one more thing is that because Scituate Community Television is right here, if you pop up, you're going to pop up into the camera lens. Okay, so stay down, or then if you have to go this way and then around. Okay?
All right, are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's have show number 1, Lion and the Mouse.
This is a story of a lion and a mouse. One day, a small mouse crept up to a sleeping lion. Look at this king of the beasts. He's fabulous. I agree, little mouse. He's quite the specimen. The lion admired the lion. The mouse admired the lion's ears, his long whiskers, and his great mane. The mouse isn't the only one, narrator. Since the lion is sleeping, he'll never suspect I'm here. Croak! So the little mouse climbed up onto the lion's tail, ran across his back, and slid down its leg and jumped off its paw. Roar! What is this? Please, Mr. Lion, let me go, and I promise if you do, I'll come back and help you someday. Ha ha ha! You're so small! I'm the king of the beasts! How could you ever help me? Ribbit, the lion laughed so hard that he had to hold his belly, and the mouse jumped to freedom and ran away. Run away, little mouse! I'm the only one looking to snare the king of the beast, not a little rodent. A lion's head will look amazing on my hunting lodge. When the lion came home that night, he stepped into a trap that the hunter set. Roar! Ah! What is this? Ha ha! He can't pull himself free. come to save the day.
Little mouse, for one so small, I don't know how you can help me. What's up with the cake?
The mouse eyed the trap and noticed one thick rope that held it together.
I think I have a plan.
The mouse began nibbling and nibbling until the rope broke free.
Little mouse, for one so small, you are brave and smart.
The lion shook off the other ropes that held him tight. He stood up, free again.
I'm free!
You're free.
He's free? What?
The lion was overwhelmed at how he had underestimated the mouse.
Dear little mouse, I was foolish and ridiculed you for being small. You helped me by saving my life after all.
Oh, lion, I am so lucky you finally see me as someone worthy to be your friend.
No, I'm the lucky one here. At least there are two lucky characters in this story.
So the lion and the mouse became great friends.
And the lion.
And the hunter
Learned a lesson. Great big things come in small packages.
The end.
The end.
I'll be watching you guys.
Stolen smell.
This is the story of the stolen smell. Long ago there lived a baker. He was so sticky he wouldn't even give a stale crumb to the birds.
The birds didn't pay for these crumbs. They can't eat them.
His neighbor on the other end was a kind girl who was always glad to share the little she had. She cared more about making friends than she did about making money.
Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are having a fabulous day.
The greedy baker was jealous of how cheerful his neighbor was.
How can she have so little and be so happy?
Every morning the smell of cinnamon buns and sweet rolls drifted out of the bakery. The wind carried the wonderful aroma crow towards the neighbor's house.
Ah, that is one delicious smell. It makes me so happy. The smell of my baked goods make her happy? That's not fair. She should have to pay for such happiness.
So the baker told his neighbor she needed to pay for the stolen smells she had been taking.
You want me to pay you? For what? I don't have any money to buy anything in your store. That's right. You pay for nothing, and yet every day you steal the smell of my baked goods? You mean you want me to pay you a smelling fee? Yes. From now on, I will not be cheated, and if you don't pay, I'll take you to the court.
When the word of the baker's demands spread around the city, everyone laughed at the idea of a stolen smell.
I'm so mad. I'm taking this matter to the court. Judge, what seems to be the issue here?
Everyone was sure the judge would dismiss the case. After all, how could anyone steal a smell?
It's my duty to listen to what the baker has to say. I order both the baker and his neighbor to come to court tomorrow.
The judge sent word to the neighbor and that she should bring 5 gold coins with her.
Oh my goodness, I will have to hand over all my money for smelling? Ha-ha! Finally, the judge understands!
The next day, Croak, the baker, and his neighbor arrived at the crowded court. Many townspeople were puzzled by the judge's actions and came to see what the judge would do. They could not believe that he might make the kind girl pay for a smell.
Is it true that you have enjoyed the smell of this man's baked goods every day for many years?
Yes, Your Honor. I must confess that is true. The judge thought for a while. Finally, he declared!
A smell has been stolen. Since stealing is a crime, the neighbor must be punished.
But, Your Honor,
Order in the court. Take the 5 gold pieces from your pocket. Now, drop the coins from one hand to the other.
the neighbor passed the gold coins back and forth between her hands.
Jingle, 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 jingle. Did you hear the jingle of the gold coins?
Aha! Yes, I did!
Do you like the sound?
Yes, it is wonderful sound. It is the payment I believe I deserve. Give me the money!
Now wait! You have already had a fair payment. Your neighbor was guilty of stealing the smell of your baked goods. You have been paid by hearing the sound of her money. This case is dismissed.
Laughter filled the court and a croak as the people marveled at the judge's cleverness.
Well, I feel foolish.
It's okay, Baker. Everyone makes mistakes. Crow, from then on, the judge was known as wisest in all the land, and everyone remembers the moral of the story. Always treat people fairly and honestly.
The end.
The Frog Prince.
This is the story of the Frog Prince. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess. One day, while she was playing with her favorite golden ball,
I love this ball. It's my absolute favorite.
until she threw it too far and it fell into the palace well.
Oh no, the water is too deep. My favorite ball.
A frog nearby heard the princess crying. He told her that if he found the ball for her, she should take him back to the palace with her and be his best friend.
Princess, let me go find that ball for you, and in exchange we'll be friends. This is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Well, totally, Froggy. Now, I'm waiting. Can you grab that ball?
So the princess agreed to be friends, but as soon as she got her ball, she grabbed it and ran back to her palace.
Woohoo! See you later, Froggy.
What just happened? Wait for me, Princess. Are we playing hide and seek? Okay, I will find you.
So the frog went to the palace and found her.
Hey, Princess. Croak, croak, croak. I'm so happy to be here. We are going to be great friends. Let's play.
The princess thought she got rid of the frog and was at first quite annoyed.
I can't believe that frog followed me home.
But soon she began growing fond of the frog.
Hey, Princess. Want to play catch with that golden ball?
You know, I do. It's cool having friends like you around.
Then, one morning, when the princess went looking for her frog friend, she saw someone else in his place.
Hey, princess, want to play ball?
Where's my frog friend?
The prince explained that a witch had cursed him. He would have to live like a frog till he met a kind girl who would be his friend and love him for who he was and not what he looked like.
It's still me, Croak.
Oh, thank goodness. I can't imagine my life without you in it, Froggy.
Very soon, the frog prince and the princess were married, and they ruled the kingdom for many years.
The kingdom was lived free every leap year in Prince Froggy's honor.
And we still quote the moral of our story to anyone who will listen.
Which is don't judge someone on the outside until you know them on the inside. Wow.
The end. Situation.
Good morning. The one back to us. The one that's
Hello, my name is Aura the Baker, and I have a story to tell you. It was the first Friday of June, sun shining, 80 degrees. Students and Captain TK O'Malley's were dying to get out of school and start the weekend. But no, they were assigned a weekend project.
I'm Captain T.K. O'Malley, the toughest teacher in the Harbor School for Puppets. Now listen up. We've had too many snow days this year, and now you gotta pay for it. I'm giving you until Sunday to build a summer clubhouse to protect you and your crew from Scituate summer storms. I'll be back to check your work after supper time. If you don't pass, I'm sending you to summer school. Arg!
His students were not happy. Joy Gifts, the school cheerleader, wanted to rush through the project to get to her practices and games.
OMG, you guys. Seriously, it's so nice out. I'm meeting my teammates at Nona's and then we're going bowling. I mean, seriously, guys, I was going to go to Watson Family Hardware, but forget it. I'm just going to gather some cardboard boxes from Village Market, take them together, and bam, there's my clubhouse.
Oh, Joy, good luck with that. Lucky Finn, the harbor mermaid, discussed her next idea.
I want my clubhouse to be environmentally friendly. Of course, stronger than cardboard. If I get up early, hit Coffee Corner for a bagel, and then go collect driftwood at the beaches. I should be done by lunch and be able to lay in my rough all day in the sunshine. My clubhouse is going to ride through the waves of the storm, no problem.
That sounds like a pretty good plan, Lucky. Have fun in the sun. Finally, Riva Ballerina, the smartest girl in school, discussed her plan. Riva was flexible, studious, and discipline.
Okay. I don't know what Joy and Lucky are thinking. This project is going to take all weekend. Taking a rain check on seeing Star Wars at Millworth Cinemas this weekend. I'm going to be spending my time pirouetting around Watson's Hardware gathering bricks, a ruler, shingles, and nails. And when I'm done, I'm going to decorate it with beautiful stuff from the Welch Company, my very own she shed by the seashore.
The students got to work on their projects, more or less, and on Sunday evening, Captain O'Malley arrived to grade their houses.
Joy, is this clubhouse actually made with Scotch tape and cardboard boxes?
Totally, Captain. Be surprised how much I can get done in 20 minutes, Captain. Here to have a big cheer to my peeps at Village Market. They helped me pull this off so I can enjoy my weekend. Woohoo!
The captain took his water bottle and poured it on the clubhouse, which then fell apart.
Not your best work, Joy. It was sewn together like a cheer that doesn't rhyme and will protect you from the rain.
Swim on over here, Lucky. You're next.
Very nice. Is this driftwood?
Yes, Captain. I found it all on the Scituate beaches. Thank goodness for the winter Bon Genesis. Lots of wood to choose from.
Just then, a gust of wind came off the water and the driftwood collapsed.
Lucky, what did you use to hold this wood together?
What sentence do you mean?
This house couldn't even protect our house up from a bird.
Last house to grade, Reva, twirl on over here.
Very nice, Reva. This had them taking all weekend.
Yes, Captain, it did. I'm used to hard work and dedication, so it wasn't hard to be on point.
Well, Chose, no wind, water, or last minute nor'easter will take this down. You get a pass for no homework for the remainder of the year.
Oh, yeah.
And so all three students learned the valuable lesson of hard work, and it pays off. The end.
The paper bag princess.
This is the story of the paper bag princess. Elizabeth was a beautiful princess. She lived in a castle and had expensive princess clothes.
Hi everyone, do you like my princess dress? It's from a department store far, far away.
Elizabeth was going to marry a prince named Ron.
Hello,
my name is Prince Ronald. You may call me Prince Ronald, and soon you may call me King Ronald.
One day something very unfortunate happened to Elizabeth. I came along. I smashed her castle, burned all her clothes with my fiery breath, and I carried off Prince Ronald.
I'm about to chase that dragon back.
She looked everywhere for something to wear, but the only thing that she could find that was not burnt was a paper bag.
You
So
died.
she put on the bag and followed the dragon.
This must be the place.
Well, a princess. I love to eat princesses, but I already have eaten a whole castle today. I am a very busy dragon. Come back tomorrow.
Elizabeth, help me. He has blindfolded me, and what he has offered me to eat is not caviar.
Don't fret, my dear one.
I said I'm full. Go away. Come back tomorrow.
I heard him munching. He did eat quite a bit.
Wait, is it true you can burn 10 forests with your fiery breath?
Oh, yes.
Magnificent! Do it again.
The dragon took another big breath, but nothing came out. I must replenish my flame. Go away.
The dragon has had quite a busy day, Elizabeth. I can attest to that.
Wait, dragon, is it true you can fly around the world in just 10 seconds?
Why, yes. The dragon jumped up and flew all the way around the world in just 10 seconds. He was very tired when he got back, but Elizabeth shouted,
Fantastic! Do it again.
so the dragon did it again. Ugh, this is exhausting. When he got back, he was too tired to talk, and he lied down and went straight to sleep.
Hey, dragon!
Elizabeth, why are you speaking so softly?
Ronald! Shh!
Elizabeth lifted the dragon's ear and put her head right inside. She shouted as loud as she could,
Hey, dragon!
The dragon was so tired that he didn't even move. Elizabeth walked right over the dragon and took the blindfold off Prince Ronald.
Elizabeth, you're a mess. You smell like ashes, your hair is all tangled, and you're wearing a dirty old paper bag. Come back when you're just like a real princess.
Ronald, your clothes are pretty, and your hair is very neat. You look like a real prince, but you're a bum.
They didn't get married after all. And the moral of the story is, don't strain yourself too much and...
Excuse me? The moral of the story is, it doesn't matter how you look, it's how you act that counts.
Up here has a headshot with their puppet that you're free to take. It's a certificate from the program, so you can take that with you. That was awesome. You guys did a great job. We're so proud of you. Really. And at the end of every short fuse theater project rehearsal that we have a chant that we do. It's kind of our tradition. So do you guys want to do it before we go home? Yeah. All right. You guys can stand up with us. There's no way.